A ver qué hay.
$5 bill. That's better odds. 50-50 raffle. Now it's going to be $5 with the ladies. Take a picture with your motorcycle, ladies. $5 picture with the ladies on the motorcycle. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss out. We got the beautiful Kayla out there, beautiful blonde, the black CNC custom shirt on. $1 gets you a ticket, $5 gets you 10. The way the 50-50 raffle works is that if you collect $5, you have with you. You walk away with $250 today. We also have our posters for the ladies on our perfect store.
Mira.
What's up, good luck? Up in the house, what? Listen, we got 4,000 young ladies. One of your local girls. That's Ricky Jimenez. These girls have been performing since they were about 6. They've been dancing together for quite some time. They used to dance with the Sacramento Kings. They've been on the Steve Harvey Show. And now they've got their own show called Monsters of Motivation.